In this first short lesson of the Affinity beginner tutorial series, I'll walk you through installing the new Affinity by Canva, connecting it to your Canva account, and getting your workspace ready so you can design like a pro from day one. Imagine a single, high-performance app that gives you professional photo editing, vector drawing, and page layout all in one place, and you get it without a monthly fee. That's what Affinity by Canva brings. Start by visiting Affinity Studio, the official hub for this new ecosystem. Click the Get Affinity button and sign in. If you already use Canva, sign in with those credentials. If not, creating a Canva account is free and quick. The site will ask whether you're on Mac or Windows and offer the unified installer that matches your system. Download the installer next. For Windows, use the Intel and package for smoother integration and automatic updates. If you have Windows Enterprise, go for the Enterprise version. On a Mac, grab the DMG. When the download completes, run the installer. Follow the setup prompts and open the app. The first screen you'll hit asks you to sign in with Canva. Your browser will open to confirm the link. And when you allow it, you will return to Affinity with your account connected, which links your local app to the cloud. Let's open Affinity for the first time. The app will take you through brief onboarding videos. You can skip like me. Next, it will ask permission for data usage to make the product better. It's totally up to you, but I am allowing. Next, you can watch a mini tutorial series, which, in my experience, is not very in-depth. So I'll choose to start creating. You'll see the home screen with various document sizes. You can also set your custom size. For this, click See More. You can change orientation too. Let's choose a landscape and a grid canvas for now. On first launch, look to the top left. You'll see icons for Vector, Pixel, and Layout Studios. These used to be separate programs. Now they are modes inside the same window. You've got the app installed and linked, and the essentials are set up. In the next video, we'll dive into the unified workspace, showing exactly how to switch between vector and photo editing, and how to build a simple layout from start to finish. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also comment, what problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.